Hello, this is my coding video. My name is Allison Jessie Roberto. Okay. The questions I chose were question 4 and 5. How did you awaken to your purpose in life? What are some of the key moments, people, and factors that informed the nature of your life's purpose? Was your sense of purpose influenced or imposed by others, such as family members, spiritual organizations, or other organizations? In what ways? Here we go. The classmates data that I used my own, Allison Jessie Roberto. I used Myra Cortez's, Valerie Rodriguez, Gina Wren, Selena Chong, and Sarah Tatsui. The participants. The first participant, female, 53 years old, instructional coach ELA, 28 years of experience. Another participant was male, under 30, IT specialist, 1 year experience. The next participant, female, 26, teacher, 4 years experience. The next participant, male, 30, customer service, 4 years experience. The next participant, male, under 30, deputy sheriff, 3 years experience. And the next participant, female, 30 to 49 years old, teacher on special assignment, 13 years experience. These were the codes that I used. Younger sister, mother, husband, girlfriend, self, future family, mom and dad, children, youth minister, doctors, teachers, students, Christianity, Muslim faith, personal finance, and career goals. And I broke those up into 3 different categories. Family, and here's a quote that I got from family. I hope that I've taken dad's firmness and mom's patience. And then another category, faith. I knew that keeping my faith would help me do the job the best I could. And then future. You know how our society works is you need money to be able to buy a house, to do those kinds of things, to support other people, a spouse and children. And this finally is how I broke up my data. So I started with my categories. I said with my code. So I had parents and significant others, and I broke that down into family, or I should say combined that into family. Then I had religion and influencers, and I melded that into faith. As my subcategory, I used a subcategory and I used the future, which I feel kind of like aligns with all of these 3, future, family, and faith. And I think the main theme to me in this was stability and how important that is in determining your life's purpose. Thank you.